Chapter number 2. All definitions.
When the stakes are high.
Chapter number 2. All definitions. Breathing. Breathing is the exchange of gases by inhalation and exhalation of the air. Glottis. The opening of air passage in the larynx is called glottis, which has a lid called epiglottis. Bronchi. Trachea divides into two tubes called bronchi. Bronchioles. The bronchi branch into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Alveoli. Each bronchiole ends in a group of air sacs or alveoli. Gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli. Inspiration. When we breathe in, rib muscles contract, pulling the ribs up and out, and chest cavity expands, diaphragm contracts, the space inside the chest cavity becomes larger. As a result, air enters into the lungs. This is called inspiration. Expiration. When the intercostal muscles and diaphragm muscles relax, the space inside the chest cavity becomes smaller. As a result, the air moves out of the lungs. This is called expiration. Respiration. Respiration is a process to release energy from food during a series of reactions. It takes place in mitochondria of the cells. Respiration is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. The respiration process during which food is broken down to release energy in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. C6H2O6 plus O2 CO2 plus H2O plus ATP. Anaerobic respiration. The breakdown of food substances in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. This process releases energy less than aerobic respiration. The products of anaerobic respiration in yeast are ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy. Glucose ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Our muscles respire anaerobically. Lactic acid is the product in this reaction. Glucose lactic acid plus energy. Respiratory diseases. The common respiratory diseases or disorders are common cold, pneumonia, and asthma. Common cold. Common cold is the most common infectious disease of human respiratory system. It is a viral infection. Its symptoms are cough, sore throat, running nose, nasal congestion, and sneezing. There is no proper medicine for common cold. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is a lungs disease. It can be caused by bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. The symptoms are cough, chest pain, fever, and difficulty in breathing. During pneumonia, the alveoli are filled with a fluid. Pneumonia is treated with antibiotics as advised by the physician. Asthma. It is a form of difficult breathing. Commonly, it is an allergic response of the body to substances like pollen, household dust, a particular food, or feathers from pillow. A characteristic whistling sound is produced during breathing. Asthma can be avoided by keeping ourselves safe from pollen, household dust, and feathers from pillow.